Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'd like to talk about a GLMR Moonbeam targets updates with my customer set. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, before I start analyze the chart and show you once again my conservative price target for this token, I want to show you this info. So what's the point? What's the point when we're looking at this chart? What's the point of the TAJ? What's the difference between the, for example, GLMR, the TAJ project, right? So some utility token, and the difference between the GLMR and the, let's say, I don't know, the maybe bonk. What's the difference? At the end, this token dump it. I'm not counting this weak candle in Binance, but let's count even from this one, $11, and we dump it to 9 cents. Somebody invested here, somebody invested here, somebody invested here. So like investments, we have to understand the fundamental absolutely doesn't matter, guys. Only the hype around the marketing campaign, the partnership for marketing, the work with the influencer, the liquidity inflow, outflow, it matter, right? But like a project, like a startup, even some, I don't know, some cookie can overplay the GLMR or any other project, right? So, this what is Moonbeam GLMR? I'm not complaining, about is something bad on the chart. A lot of tokens look like this one, but I don't like the, the things when people start talk, oh, the GLMR is, or Polkadot is something good, and we have to skyrocket because you don't understand the project. Guys, I don't need to understand the fundamental if I see the charts. So this is how your fundamental works. So this is a result of that fundamental. You can love it, you can hate it, but this is a fact. This is a fact, and this is a result of all this hard work of this project. And so you can read what is Moonbeam, GLMR, and you can check the fundraising rounds. So this is what really matter. Fundraising rounds, we can find out. So before listing on Binance in January 2022, right? These guys, investors, get their tokens at 1 cent. And by magic, they list the token on the Binance $50. Imagine how many people stuck it here. Even if you use DCA strategy, it won't save you. So imagine some funds got that token, and there's a lot of funds. Hashkey Capital, Arrington, this one. It's, by the way, XRP. So 1 cent. These guys still, if they still got some tokens, still in profit 817%. Imagine after the 5 years. So brilliant investments, brilliant on early stage. And at all-time high, they get like 256,000% gains. Just madness. Strategic round was at 5 cents. So most likely, if we will dump lower, we can see the 5 cents. So maybe we'll see. ICO round was 25 cents. Even the people who invested in ICO and not sell their tokens in losses, 63%. So this is, guys, how it works. And this is a vesting schedule. Technically, all tokens already should be in the market. So yes, around 83% tokens into the market. Now the Moonbeam, it's a low cap token, 88 million market cap. So now around 9 cents. Yes, of course, it's good time to invest in this token. If this is not a pure scam, we can't know. If the if the exchanges will not delist this token, I guess we will bounce. So take a look. This is market capitalization, and this is the price. So this is how it works. That's why how the unlocks and how the seller pressure from the funds, affect the price. So the market capitalization at 86 cents, was like $500 million. Now we dump it to 9 cents and the market cap 88 million. So the big difference between the 88 million and the $500 million. So this is a seller pressure from the, I guess, these guys, so the guys who invested on seed rounds. Technically, guys, I count, that time. I count from the body candle, this one, $10.39, and to body candle at $2 35, you know, the FIB. If we adjust the FIB, and we are under 27 block, if we adjust the FIB to the weeks, you can find out we just only now start testing the, even not tested, 27 block. Yes, it's kind of difficult where we should count the support block, or how we can count from the top of the week candle or from the body candle, but we have to work with just possibilities. And now I wish to see the drop to the 18 level by FIB. So 6 cents 84, it's going to be the best case scenario for GLMR. I wish to see this one, right? And of course it's kind of white zone for accumulation. You know, that's why it's hard to say which one is more correct, right? So by count by body candle or by week candle. If we use, for example, the line chart, you know, if we cut all noise, we can use it like this one and like this one. So this support. So technically, yes, here we are already inside a 27 block, and it's gonna be in the 3 cents. So maybe I add just 2 alerts. We will see how it's playing out. So we can hide the FIB. And no, I would like to show you. Technically, this liquidity pool, like $6.31, it can be the top of the top for this cycle. So yes, unfortunately, guys, it's possible. Let's hide the trend lines, and I want to show you just with my custom indicator set what's going on now. So I add alerts. If we see that drop, it means all market will crash, you know. But I wish to see that drop to feel the last time the backs, for example, for speculation, for speculative position, you know, after bounce with a V-shape recover the liquidity inflow from the BTC, because I hope one day the BTC dominance will be at least under 50%. It's just a matter of time, but we can't know when. We're gonna bounce to the monthly gap. So this is like a trigger, the main one. It's $1.44 and $2.28. But guys, the main condition is the centralized exchanges should still keep this token for trades. Because you have to understand the Polka starter are also all the time. I showed you this example. I'm not counting the Monero, they delisted because of privacy, but Reef and the Polka starter was just a normal project, and one day just Binance delisted. So sometimes this happens, guys. So never say never. And I hope together with the Polkadot, GLMR, Moonbeam, GLMR, Moonbeam, Moonbeam, and Moonriver will pump, and the Clover and the Akala network maybe. So all tokens and Ostar network, all tokens which being the parachains of Polkadot will pump and follow the performance of Polkadot, the main token. So technically, guys, bullish target is still relevant. So it's a monthly gap, and the crazy profit, it's $5.97. It's top of the top. Grab this liquidity pool. Let's check, guys, with the indicator set. Here's a accumulation, and yes, we formed a huge divergence now. So that point, it was June 22, the lowest 55 cents. Here was 16 cents. Here is 18, and now it's 9. Even 8 cents 59. So yes, it's a huge global, guys, 3 years the warrants in a weekly time frame. So sooner or later, anyway, we will bounce. This is accumulation. So this is a good one. Weekly time frame here, we are in trading capitulation. So sooner or later we will bounce definitely. But take a look, the last time we bounced it from the capitulation zone, this one, just an average, we bounced it like 170%, even more, like 234%. That's why we see the seller pressure and the whales fix the profit. So I wish to see one more dump, and only after that the bounce. Monster time frame, guys, still apria, just a craziness. Even in the monster time frame, we formed the warrants here. Here it was the lowest point, like 18. So I wish to see something like this one drop. I don't know, 2 maybe seed round targets to this one. 5 cents strategic round. We will see. But guys, you have to believe it. One day, anyway, the Moonbeam will bounce if this token will be still exist on centralized exchanges. Here is a monthly gap. This one, this is like a trigger, and this one, $1.05. So at $1, definitely we will see the crazy seller pressure. I'm not count, these tiny monthly gaps. This is just a trigger, for example, if you take a risk and invest now at 9 cents here, at 20 cents, you have to withdraw initial deposit. At this fulfill of monthly gap, you have to withdraw initial deposit. So this will be not a mistake, guys. Soon we will see the accumulation direction, definitely. And ADZ, we're just in the middle, but with a divergence. Money power, guys, take a look. This was every side bullish divergence, 234%. Soon we will see the money inflow and some every side divergences. Weekly time frame, here, it was a money inflow, like 12 cents 30. Now we trade at 9. So just be careful. Yes, of course, it can be like lowest point 7 cents 88. It can be the lowest one, but be ready to see the potential drop, like let's say 50% more. I wish not to see this one drop. I wish to see some last one like 6 cents, and after that the money inflow. But step by step the wealth accumulate. Here was a money outflow. So the best case scenario, guys, personally for me, it's a dump to 6 cents to 5 cents and V-shape recover move. So this is going to be the perfect scenario. Trade on. Oh yes, let's add alert to take profit. Take profit, I mean from that sale. So it was a buy, sell, recommendation close position, sell, and no take profit. Let's add alert to take profit and the buy signal. Also on the weekly time frame, it's going to be the good confirmation, guys. Last indicator is take profit. We trade under female value, guys. So yes, it's good time to accumulate. For example, if you want to take a risk and accumulate at 9 cents, for example, it can be 9 and 6 and the 5 cents, for example, at the end it will be like 7 cents average entry. 34, it can be the take profit line on the weekly. 12 time frame, guys, take a look. I wish to see the test of the buy line. Buy line, and now it's 7 cents 28. For the male value, it's 5 cents 44. 6 cents 33. It's around this range. Let's add alerts also to take profit at buy line. This one on 12 time frame. Daily one here for the male value, guys, it's 7 cents 59. So I wish to see that drop this week or the next one. Bullish targets, guys, of course. 20 cents take profit, exit line 22.75, and this high 42. All targets basically relevant until we trade on centralized exchanges. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what do you think about a GLMR. Do you believe we can recover, or it's that project? If you'd like to trade as my customer, can say what I showed you in this video, just write me DM, subscribe, channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button, don't forget join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.